Get ready now. Lie on your back, raise both legs straight. Then without letting them drop, support your knee with your hand and pull one leg towards your chest. Repeat with the other leg. 45 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on your back, raise your arms and legs up in one move as you're trying to touch your toes, like creating a V shape. 45 seconds. It's almost done. Wait while sitting. Stand on your hands and toes with your body in a straight line. Alternately bring one knee up toward the center of your stomach. 45 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted up. Alternately reach your opposite knee with your opposite elbow. 45 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on your back, put your hands at your sides, raise your legs, bend your knees, then slowly lower your legs without touching the floor with your feet. 45 seconds. It's almost done. Sit on the floor. Sit on the floor, raise your legs and bend your knees parallel to the ground, and elevate your upper body, then twist your body to the sides with your hands clasped at your chest. 45 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on your back. Extend your arms and legs and lift them. Straighten your legs to the ceiling, then gently swing forward and back. 45 seconds. It's almost done.